Hi guys, sorry I can't be there today. We're just going to talk about a few problems and then you're just going to practice. These first couple problems are just kind of a review of what we did yesterday. So we're just going to do a couple word problems. So we have the total cost of two t-shirt companies based on the number of shirts ordered is shown. So we have company A, which is this line, okay? And then we have company B on this line. And it looks like we have shirts and total cost. So it looks like they're charging something per shirt, okay? So we have this dilemma. If Justin needs to order two shirts, which company would be the cheaper option? So if I look over here at two shirts, okay, I can see that it would cost $6 for company A, and it would probably cost about, I would say, $8 for company B. So option A would be the cheapest. Okay? And then we ask another question, well, what about five shirts? Okay, at five shirts, okay, we're just gonna estimate this is probably about $10 for company B. And then it looks like it'd be about $15 for company A. So in this case, company B would be the cheapest. So what we're basically just talking about is, when does the other one become the better deal? Because at the very beginning, company A was lower and cheaper. And then after this point where they intersect, then the other one flips and becomes the better deal. Okay, so to kind of make sense of this, we're going to do another problem. So it says the balance of two siblings' savings accounts are based on the number of weeks shown below. So we have Tabitha. Tabitha starts with 20 bucks. Looks like she is saving about $5 every 2 weeks. So that's her slope. And then we have Tate. Tate has $10, and it looks like he's saving 10 to 25. He's saving $15 every 2 weeks. Okay. So it says, which sibling has the highest balance after 5 weeks? So I can go up to 5 weeks. I can say, okay, this is Tabitha's line, and this is Tate's line. So whoever has more money, Tate is higher. So Tate would be the better deal. So the next question is, well, after how many weeks will the siblings have the exact same amount of money? Well, if we're looking at this line and we're looking about money, money is when they're the exact same. So I'm interested right here at this point. Okay, so after 2 weeks, it looks like both Tate and Tabitha will have $25. So I kind of like to start off with a word problem because it makes sense in a word problem. We're basically just saying, when are these the same, these lines the same amount? And so this unit, we're going to be talking about things called systems of equations. A system is basically just when you have more than one equation, but they kind of follow the same story, just like how Tate and Tabitha deal with weeks and money. In this problem, you have two companies talking about shirts and cost. So it's just they deal with the same thing. So what we're interested in is the point of intersection, because the point of intersection would be a solution or something that they both have when they are the exact same. So in this problem, we have this line and we have this line, and it looks like they intersect right here. And so what we're interested in is the ordered pair in which they intersect. So the solution for this problem would be 6, -2. All right, so now we're just going to do a couple problems and then you're going to practice. So we have this system. There's no story problem to it, but we're just going to graph it and see if they intersect and where they intersect. So this one, y equals -1/2 x plus 3. So I have the y-intercept of 3. Okay, I have a slope of -1/2. So I'm going to go down 1, right 2 to show that negative slope. And I don't know where they're going to cross, so I am going to go all the way across. Then I'm going to go backwards because, again, I don't know where it's going to cross. So instead of going down and right, I'm going to go up and left. Up and left. And then I like to draw a little line. Okay, so now what we're going to do. So now what we're going to do is we're going to graph the second equation. I like to use a different color. Okay, so now we're going to graph this one and see where they cross. So this one, y equals 5, means I have a starting point of 5. Okay, but then I have no x. There's no slope, no x. So I'm going to show no slope but a flat line. So then I'm looking and I'm like, okay, where do they intersect? Where do they cross? Looks like they both have this ordered pair in common. So then I just write it as an ordered pair. The solution is -4, 5. All right, for this next one, we're going to graph y equals 1/3 x minus 2. So we're going to start at -2, go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. But again, I don't know where it's going to intersect, so I'm going to go backwards as well. So instead of going up and right, I'm going to go down and left. Okay. All right, now I'm going to graph the other one, which is y equals -x plus 2. I'm going to start at +2. This -x is the same thing as -1 over 1. So I'm going to go -1, 1, -1, 1, just to show that negative slope. And if you notice that they intersect right here, you probably can stop. If you'd like to draw the rest of it, you can. But it looks like the solution is this ordered pair right here, and that would be 3, -1. All right, we're going to do one more problem. We have y equals 1/2 x minus 1. So we're going to start at -1. We're going to go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Then I'm going to go backwards, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. Okay. And then the other equation is y equals 1/4 x. So it doesn't have a starting point, so we're going to start at 0. And the slope is 1/4, so we're going to go up 1 over 4. So I see that that is my intersection point. You can also see the two lines. So the point that they both share, the solution would be called 4, 1. Okay, so that's basically what you guys are going to do today. You're going to graph two lines, see where they intersect, and write them as a